Hey, John Lee here, and I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers for hanging in there, watching all my content. We're going to say goodbye to 2020, so for 2021 I'm really wanting to make this year all about my audience and bring all the content that's what you guys want to see. So be sure and drop some comments of what kind of videos you're looking for. I'm personally looking forward to doing some a lot bigger, better projects. Maybe, I don't know what that is yet, but I really want to make this not about what I want to make videos about, but I want to find the happy medium about bringing to the table what you guys are more interested in viewing this year. So be sure and drop your comments down below. Let me know if you're more interested in drone videos on how to make your YouTube channels better, understanding the analytics, do some comedy. Just let me know. So here's the 2021.